kitchen. I am so glad that you are joining me today. We are going to do a wonderful 3-point meal. 3 points. This is a meal for 6 people. We are doing stuffed peppers. They're wonderful. They have rice in them and some other vegetables and other yummies. I'll show you that in just a second. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. Let me know what you think. Leave a couple of comments below and let me know what you would like to see and what you'd like to have on your WW journey. Maybe there's something that your mom used to cook that's really, really high in calories and you want to adjust it to be more WW friendly. Whatever it is, let me know. I appreciate it. Okay, what you're going to need for this recipe is about 2 pounds of ground chicken or pork, 3 or 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1.5 cups of water, 1 minced onion or chopped onion, 1 chopped green pepper, 1.25 cups of rice. This has already been rinsed, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Better Than Bouillon. This is vegetable bouillon, 1.25 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.25 teaspoons of salt, 2 14-ounce cans of diced peeled tomatoes, and I have 6 peppers that I have baked at a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes, just to soften them. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, we have our nice hot pan right here. We're going to add just a little bit of avocado oil. Then we're going to put in our onions. Oh, doesn't that sound great? We're going to put in our green peppers. We're going to put in our garlic. And we're going to put in our chicken. And we're just going to cook this until it is brown and cooked all the way through. Then we're going to add our seasonings. We've got our salt, we've got our chili powder, we've got our Worcestershire sauce, bloop. Then we're going to add our rice. Like I said, this has already been rinsed. You should always rinse your rice just to make sure that it's good and clean. Add our bouillon. And our tomatoes. We're going to stir it all up. We're going to bring that to the boil. Then we're going to put a lid on it. We're going to turn down our heat to low, and we're going to let that go for about 20 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our pre-cooked peppers right here. There's 6 of them. And this made a huge pot of rice and chicken. So I'm thinking that we're gonna have some left over after we stuff our peppers. But let's go ahead and do it. Now it's really important that when you're making stuffed peppers, that you cook them first. A little bit, because it takes a while for that to break down on the outside to soften enough so you're not eating a raw pepper. So you want to make sure that it is cooked enough that it's kind of softened. And you want to make sure you stuff it all the way full. Stuff, stuff, stuff. Stuff, stuff, stuff. Oh, also, when you're buying the peppers, test them to make sure that they sit up straight. Because you know what? It's not easy to stuff those if they're not sitting up straight. It's kind of hard. Now, I am not using any cheese for this. You can top it with cheese, but I just don't want the extra points. So I'm just kind of stuffing them until they're perfect. And this, because the Spanish rice made such a big recipe, it's going to affect the points. So help yourselves, children of the corn. Because this is really a big pile of Spanish rice to go inside these. I like little mounds of Spanish rice joy. Yeah. And I like to just top it with a little bit of extra. So it's kind of a little mountain. You're going to place this in a 350-degree oven until it's heated through. So probably about 30 minutes or so, 30 to 35 minutes. If you want to, sprinkle a little cheese on the top. Just make sure you figure out the points. Guys, this is delicious. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you got something out of it, and please make it, eat it, love it. See you next time.